I just received my tripod UB size. I ordered it 3 days ago, and they said I would get it by next week Tuesday. But to my surprise, this morning I heard a knock on the door, and there was my UB size. So we're gonna open it up. All right. So all right. Okay. This tripod comes with a remote control. We're going to put this here. Oops. Some parts right here. Another part. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Box empty. Next, it comes in a nice bag so you can carry it. It's very nice. It's also showing UV size. Good, so let's open it up. The plastic. So this is the tripod, guys. So alright. So as you can see, it's pretty widespread, so I don't think that the wind would like knock it off or anything. So it's got like different level which you can adjust it, and what you have to do is, I guess, yeah, if you push, you see this button here, if you push them like this, so I can basically, you know, like undo the telescopic arm and then lock it, this, and then this is, I think, 60 inches or more, but you can see, guys, this is perfect. And this swivel here would be where you would put your camera or your phone. So if I don't want this, I don't have to lower the whole thing. I can just, here, you see, click this, and there you have it. So this thing here is the remote control. Let me see, with the user manual in it. So yes, guys, that's the user manual. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's got 4 steps, and which are the turn on the remote. Okay, so the button is on the side like this. So when you turn it on, there's a blue light that comes off, so it's telling you, yay, your remote is working. And turn on your phone's Bluetooth, and then it's going to connect with this, you know. So there you have it, guys. Now so if I would put my phone on this, I can like adjust the swivel to the level I want. I can actually lower it a bit more, just so I can, it's pretty steady. The mate is perfect. I paid $40 something with the shipping in it. So how would this work? I guess if I would like lock this, the swivel doesn't move, I can stop it to the position I want to. Okay, so this thing here, I'm guessing it's to, you're going to screw it here, and then that's what's going to be holding up your phone. So, you know, when you stretch it like this, yeah, that's what's going to be holding up your phone. So I'm gonna, Okay. Okay, there's this button that you gotta like tighten it, and then I can take my phone, my phone, and then I'm gonna put it right here. So now I'm gonna make sure that this stays straight. Okay, so I can do this operation worry-free. So what you do, you have to pull this up like this, and then your phone would like stay like this. So, and then from there you can adjust the swivel to give it the angle that, hold on, you can bend upon what you want to shoot the height of it, you know. You can bend and all right, so like this, I'm gonna lock it there. So yeah, let's lock it there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do with the remote, I'm gonna turn on my phone and see if it's working. Okay, so let's turn off my phone. Fingerprint, this. Okay, my phone is on. So now what I would do, as you can see, on the remote there is two operating systems. There's Apple and there's Android. So my phone is on Android. If I would like, first I'm gonna turn it on. Yes, it's on. All right, so okay, it's on. It's flashing, yes. So if I would press Android, and I press record, and you can see, guys, that this thing is recording, you know. So that's it. It's simple. ABC 1 1 2 3. So you can see, guys, this thing is working. And there you have it, guys. It's working. Now it's really recording. And if I would press this here, I would probably like taking selfies, pictures. So this is amazing, fantastic. $40-something with shipping, with shipping. This is great. Within three days, I ordered it. It's in my home already. Fantastic. So it's UB size. If you treat it properly, you have a tripod for life. So you guys do something for me. You take care. Thank you for watching, guys.